Hi, I'm Isela Quintana at Eden Park Elementary. I teach Instructional Resource, which is the technology class for kinder through 5th grade. My request is to get the Bloxels Classroom Kit. It includes 15 Bloxel game board kits. In addition, I would need 2 iPads so that they can create their games. The reason I would like this is this allows the kids to not just create a story and work on their writing, but in actuality bring it to life. They'll be able to brainstorm with their peers, come up with characters, obstacles, problem solutions, and then turn it into a real-life video game. Here's a quick little video from the website itself to kind of give you an idea of how it could work. Hope you enjoy.
With Bloxels EDU, students aren't just playing games, they're making them. They start with an idea, their stories, their characters. Using their hands and imagination, they build everything for their games with the board and blocks. With the Bloxels EDU app, they instantly bring their creations into the game.
That'd be such a great opportunity to give the kids. It's a chance to bring their actual creation into real life.
Their own. Through the Bloxels EDU Hub, educators can follow their students' progress, give feedback, and award great work. What stories will your students tell? Discover what's possible with Bloxels EDU.
Please help me bring their stories to life with this opportunity of having Bloxels in the classroom.